Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 6 powerful tips that can pave your way to becoming a millionaire. If you're ready to transform your financial future, let's get started. Tips 1-inch. The journey to wealth begins with clear goals. Define exactly what financial success means to you and create a roadmap to achieve it. Tips 2. Knowledge is key. Invest in your financial education. Stay updated on market trends, investment strategies, and personal finance principles. Tips 3. Diversify your income sources. Explore investments, side businesses, or passive income streams to create resilience and maximize your earning potential. Tips 4. Manage your money wisely, budget effectively, avoid unnecessary debt, and prioritize investments that align with your long-term financial goals. Tips 5. Successful millionaires take risks. Assess potential rewards against risks carefully, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Tip 6. Persistence is key. Stay committed to your goals despite challenges. Learn from failures, adapt, and keep pushing forward towards your vision. Becoming a millionaire requires dedication, strategic planning, and a mindset focused on growth. Apply these 6 tips consistently and watch your financial dreams become reality. Subscribe for more motivational content to help you achieve your goals. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success.